My name is Hemant Kumar. I study in third class. My school name is Krishnaveni High School.
Festival.
Festival.
History.
History.
Heritage.
Heritage.
Very good. Leader.
LADR.
Very good. Law.
LAW.
Very good. Government.
GOVRNMENT.
Very good. Respect.
RESPECT.
Very good. Equality.
EQUALITY.
Next.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ablash.
Forest.
FOREST.
Very good. Culture.
CULTURE.
Very good. Tradition.
TRADITION.
Very good. Right.
RIGHTS.
Very good. Independence.
INDEPENCE.
Very good. Movement. Very good. History.
HISTORY.
Next.
My name is Shiva.
Ocean.
OCEAN.
Very good. History.
HISTORY.
Very good. Rule.
GOVE. RULE.
Very good. Symbol.
SYMBOL.
Very good. River.
RIVR.
Very good. Heritage.
HERITAGE.
Very good. Law.
LAW.
Very good. Flag.
FLAG.